Yes, children, nice to be back. And yes, I am looking forward to take this chapter with you because this is as interesting as the first one, his first flight. So these two are your chapters of the lesson, two stories about flying. The first one was very interesting. This black aeroplane is also equally interesting. And why? I might have liked the story very much, but I'm sure you're also going to like it. Let us find out why. So you can see the picture of a black aeroplane, and I'm going to take you to the story now. Get set, ready. Before we proceed, since the earliest times, humans have dreamed about conquering the skies. Here is a story about flying. All of us are interested in flying high, isn't it? All of us. So whenever we have big dreams, we say, yes, sky is the limit. So here is a story about flying, and we are going to see how a pilot is lost in the stormy clouds. Does he arrive safe? Who helps him? Let us read the story. Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth. Now about the writer, I am going to introduce you to the writer now. Frederick Forsyth. Who was he? He is an English author and occasional political commentator. He is best known for thrillers such as The Day of the Jackal, The Odessa File, The Fourth Protocol, The Dogs of War, The Fist of God, The Veteran, Avenger, The Afghan, and The Cobra. These all are thrillers by Frederick Forsyth. Now we are going to take on with the story. So word meanings, vocab time, I am leaving for you to go through. This you go through at your own time. We have a list of word meanings that might be difficult for you to understand. So come back to this once we are done with the story. Introduction of the story. The lesson Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth reflects how one's judgment gets distorted due to fantasizing, and it creates problems. Once we think of something and we are into fantasy, we are into thinking, that time our judgment is sometimes misguided. So in this chapter, we are going to see the narrator, who is a pilot, is very eager to meet his family and have a good English breakfast. And he takes the wrong decision of facing the storm instead of doing the right thing. He was so greedy for the breakfast, so eager for the breakfast, that he takes the wrong decision of facing the storm instead of holding back. Miraculously, he somehow manages to escape the peril, the danger, with the help of a mysterious black aeroplane. Let us move on. The summary I am going to share. The story about Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feels happy and contented to fly over a city that is sleeping. So it was a night flight. It was a night flight. He was very happy and contented. Contented means also another synonym for happiness. He is flying from Paris to London. The pilot was flying from Paris to London. While taking his flight, while he was flying, he dreams about a long, happy holiday with his family. And he also fantasizes about the scrumptious breakfast he would have upon landing. He is very imaginative. And in his fantasies, he dreams of having a delicious breakfast that he would have upon landing. As soon as he crosses Paris, he gets a look of the dark clouds that were a sign of an upcoming storm. So an upcoming storm was coming, and the pilot saw that the storm is very near to him, and he had just crossed Paris. Right, what happens after that? The right decision would have been to what? To turn to Paris. He had just crossed Paris and the storm clouds had appeared. So the right decision would have been to turn back to Paris for the sake of safety. But he, being possessed by his dreams, he was so full of his dreams, overshadowed by his dreams, and not wanting to delay them, risks the life of his passengers and heads right into the storm. He doesn't know anything, neither before nor after. He is only possessed, he is full of his dreams that he wants to have a scrumptious or a delicious breakfast with his family. And so he didn't bother for the life of his passengers. And what he does, he risks the life of his passengers and heads directly into the storm. Everything gets dark. He is unable to see. All his direction instruments, everything stopped functioning, and he lost the control of the plane. As soon as he enters the dark clouds, everything gets dark. He is unable to see, and all his instruments, the compass and everything gets stopped, and he loses the control of the plane. When all hope was lost, he saw another plane whose pilot was more than willing to rescue them. When everything was lost, he saw another plane just flying beside his plane, and his pilot, the pilot of that mysterious plane, was more than willing, was very eager to rescue them. The author was panicking. The author means our pilot, the pilot of the story, was panicking as there was very less amount of fuel that was left on the plane. There was no fuel, no airplane fuel was there. Very less fuel was there. Not sufficient quantity was not there. And that is why the pilot was very scared. But the anonymous pilot, the nameless pilot, anonymous means nameless pilot, guided them out of the storm and disappeared as soon as they saw light. The nameless pilot, he guided them out of the storm and disappeared as soon as they saw the light. Upon landing, when he asks the lady in the control room about the other pilot, he is left in shock when she says that his was the only plane in the sky. When the pilot had landed, he asked the lady in the control room about who the pilot was because he wanted to thank him personally. And then he is left in shock when the lady in the control room says that he was the only pilot in the sky with his plane. So the story in points is also there. I am not going to take you through all this. Please cover this. Please go through it. It is a kind of flow chart, and you are going to read the whole story in points. If you are finding any difficulty, please come back. Now let us do some short MCQs. What was coming up in the east behind the pilot? The moon, the sun, the stars, all of the above. What will you say? Yes or no? Nothing, no answer. The sun. Which plane was the author flying? Dakota, Boeing, MG, none of the above. Dakota. Which country was the pilot flying over? France, England, India, Italy. France. Which country did the pilot belong to? England. Right? What happened when the pilot had covered a distance of 150 kilometers from Paris? He saw another plane blow. He saw another plane. A strong wind began to blow. A heavy rain began to fall. There were storm clouds all around. So, which one are we going to take? The storm clouds around. Inside the clouds, how was everything? Green, fresh, black, all of the above. Black. What happened as the plane entered the storm clouds? The aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. The compass was dead. The other instruments were suddenly dead. All of the above. Which one will you write, children? All of the above. So that is that for now. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. read the story. I'm going to come back to you with all the word meanings and important sections in the form of notes document, right? I'll upload a document where I will save all the word meanings, and you have already got the word meanings in this one. If I find anything more, I will add to the document file, and I will come up with the important core sections of the story which you are going to highlight and read the portions very carefully, right? So let's look forward. The video lecture is over. Let's look forward to some pen and paper too, right? Take care, be happy, be good, and love each other.